Lockdown has made our lives little difficult. Students got back to their home from hostels. People working outside their hometown got back to their hometown. But digitalization has helped us a lot because companies had taken a midway to keep on working, and that is due to digitalization only. As everything got closed, movement got binded because the pandemic situation was like that. But what about the hiring process? Because work doesn't got closed. The companies have taken a midway, and that was work from home. And schools have, colleges have taken a midway, that is online studies. So one thing that became very popular is online meetings, online interviews, online working, online studies. But do you think that working online and appearing for interview online is the same? Or studying online or giving interview online is the same? Who will tell you those ethics? Who will tell us those ethics actually which needs to be followed in online interview? We have already answered almost every question to be asked in an interview by an interviewer. Like, tell me something about yourself. What are your weaknesses? What are your strengths? Where do you see yourself after 5 years? Why should we hire you? What do you know about our company? And etc. We have also learned the interview etiquettes. We have also seen the reasons and the common mistakes which we could do while being in an interview. Even we know how to crack any interview. Hey, are you looking for these above questions? So, check the description box. I have dropped the link of each session on the above questions. I have answered almost all the questions. So, check the description box. But what about the online interviews? We have never discussed about this. That is a video interview. So, today, if you're thinking this, then you're right here. Hello everyone, this is Sugandha and you're watching Ready to Get Update, and I'm back with another session in my job series and interviews. We have done lots of things on face-to-face interview, but what about the online interview and video interviews, which are more famous than face-to-face nowadays? So today I will be giving you lots and lots of do's and don'ts in an online or a video interview. That could be from any app, Zoom app, Google Meet, anything. All the do's and don'ts could be adopted for these online interviews. So let me take you to the content of this video. Firstly, I would be giving you 10. This time 10 do's which needs to be done while attending online interview. Then I will be giving you 5 don'ts which you don't have to do in an online interview. Then interesting quiz would be coming for you, and last but not the least, vocabulary word of the day. So we have lots and lots of things to do. So let's get started. So today, firstly, I would be giving you 10 do's, or you can say 10 those vital points which will help you to attend online interview, like how to set your camera, what about the audio settings, what about the video settings, and miscellaneous things. So let's start first. Always keep your camera in the front. Now, I have kept my mobile camera in the right side of myself, but you have to keep your camera in an online interview straight in front of you. It shouldn't be much low, it shouldn't be much. Camera should be at the face level and it shouldn't be too high or too low. Then the distance from the camera of your phone and you should be at least one arm. It should not be like it's on your complete face and it's looking very heavy and only your big face is visible to them. It should be some decent space. Second, plain background or less articles. Try to keep the background of your room in which you are sitting for an online interview plain or with less articles. It's a human tendency to see other things when it's depicted actually. So it's better to keep the background plain so that interviewer could focus on you. And even I'm saying less articles because less articles are easily manageable. It shouldn't be messy. If there are too many articles behind your back, then it shouldn't be too messy. You should keep your room in which you are sitting neat and clean so that it is pleasant to see you while interviewing. Third, isolated. Try to find the place at home which is isolated. Nobody should be moving from your back continuously or disturbing, like even the children and your family member, because that will distract the interviewer from you. So keep it a place which is isolated. Try to find out the place considering all the aspects in pre-hand. Okay. Fourth, always keep your camera on. Now you might have seen many Zoom meetings in which people off their camera, and even work from home reportings are there when they give the excuse then other people were speaking, so I have closed or off my camera, and that is considered very indecent. See, if a person is doing video meeting or an online interview and even a video interview, then their purpose is to see you. They wanted to see your appearance. That's why they are doing video interview. Otherwise they would have taken your telephonic interview, right? So if you are keeping your camera closed, then that motive of the interviewer is not fulfilled, and in that case they won't shortlist you or hire you. So always keep camera on. Fifth, audio off. Keep audio off from your side when you're not speaking, and when you wanted to speak, then turn it on. Because you might say that you are not at noisy place and there is no sound from your side, but still microphones are so sensitive that they can transmit the voice which you are not able to hear but which exists in your room to the other side, and in that case you won't be able to hear the interviewer properly, and interviewer will not able to communicate you properly. So it's always better to keep your audio off when you are not speaking, and when you have to speak, turn it on immediately. Sixth, on time. Remember, you are there for an interview, not a face-to-face but an online video interview. And you know that digital things have some setbacks as well. So it could be that interviewer could connect you 5 minutes or 10 minutes prior because of the connection issues or something else, or a intermediate person is communicating with you to direct you to the interviewer. So these things could be there. It could take time, so they could connect you 3, 10 or 15 minutes. So get ready at least 20 minutes before your interview time for any connection request. Seventh, dress smartly. You might have seen a lot of people working from home in t-shirts and comfortable attires. But remember, they are already employee of the organization, and you wanted to be an employee of organization, and you are there for an online video interview, right? So you have to give first impression a good one. So dress smartly as you dress up for your face-to-face interview. Eighth, keep your notepad. It could be that interviewer can give you a random task, like to solve or to tell anything, any kind of thing. Even they can direct you to some place for any further date, or they could give you some directions which you will forget later on. So always better to keep your notepad over here and make the notes of that interview. It will always add a good impression. 9, check all devices. Now by devices I mean all the devices which will be used for an online interview. Like if you're using your laptop or desktop or mobile, so check all the things in pre-hand. If you're using laptop or your mobile, then do check their batteries, as they can be charged in pre-hand. And the speakers and the audio thing, anything which is related to the digital, then please check it in pre-hand. It should not be there that interviewer is sitting and you're not able to connect even your broadband, Wi-Fi, anything. 10, and foremost, be attentive, prepared, and focused. Now, face to face interview has a scope of understanding better because you are able to see them face to face. But in an online interview, if you're asking one question second time every time, then it's not right. So, remain focused and attentive so that you could hear what the interviewer is saying in very first time. So all done. These are the 10 important things. Questions will be the same. You can answer them as it is. Means questions answers will be those only because they will ask near about same questions. But these are the 10 important things which you should keep in mind when you are starting an online interview. Now we would be starting with 5 tones. So let's get started. First, too noisy. The place which you choose for an online interview shouldn't be noisy. Like it should not be near to the roadside area or to the area which you already know that your neighbor's voice are coming and something like that. Please, 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 I request, choose a perfect place for you in pre-hand. Second, don't move here and there. Now it's very unprofessional when the interviewer is sitting and taking your interview and you are moving here and there just to either to check your internet connection or something. If some problem is there with the connection, that the at the place where you are sitting connection is not coming completely, then what you can do is you can ask the interviewer that I have some issues with the connection over here, so sir, please can I move somewhere else so that I could get the connection, and then only stood up and go somewhere. Don't do this like interviewer is saying something and you just stood up and went on. This will be very unprofessional and this won't be considered in an interview. Then third, don't eat, drink, or chew. It's really a bad habit. Even in the online meetings, people do this. See, we can do anything and then we can say that it's fine, but it's not actually fine because it's not professional. When a senior person is hosting a meeting and you are eating, drinking, or chewing something, that is not right because meeting is done for a specific period of time. That is, online interview is for a specific period of time. Maybe it will take 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes or maximum 1 hour if they are interacting very well with you. So means in 24 hours you can't sit without eating, drinking, or chewing in 1 hour for an hour. That is very unprofessional. So please don't do this. If some problem is there with your throat and you are feeling very thirsty, then what you can do is keep the water aside always in pre-hand, and you can ask the interviewer that you are feeling like that, so can you take this. And it's very normal. If you will ask like this, then interviewer will allow you, but starting yourself like this won't be permitted. Means they won't say you anything, but definitely they won't hire you on this behavior. Next, fourth, don't be loud. Now in order to show your confidence or anything, don't be too loud on the online interview because it when you are speaking very loudly, then it happens that the flow, or you can say the pitch of the voice turns from soft to harder. which will not look good. Okay, so be soft, be calm, and be normal while speaking. Now, fifth, very important, as I always say, don't forget to say sorry and thank you. If you feel that you have done something which needs to be, for which you need to be sorry, you have committed something, and that you have committed, you at that time you were not able to understand, but later on you understood that yes, this thing you have committed, so it's better to accept it and say sorry for that. And thank you, as I always say, that always say thank you. Firstly, in the start, that thanks for shortlisting me and giving me such good time to have an interaction in this pandemic situation in an online interview. And in the end also, say a good thank you by saying that nice to have a conversation with you, sir, and it's pleasure for me to be in this online interview. And in mid also, if you find that they are appreciating you, never forget to say thank you, because these are the small things which make a big difference. So all done. I have given you 10 do's and 5 don'ts which you have to remember in an online or a video interview, right? Next, quiz. It's quiz number 30, and you just have to drop 5 don'ts in the comment box. Don't WhatsApp me personally. Comment in the comment box. Vocabulary word of the day. Today it's 31st word. I don't know you have revised, learned my 30 previous vocabulary words or not. If you haven't done, please go and check my previous 30 videos and you will get them. So no more lecture on vocabulary word of the day. Today's word is imitate. Imitate is basically nakal karna. To follow, to copy, to act, or to make or do something in a same way as some other person do. किसी की basically nakal karna. And its synonym could be mimic, parody, impersonate. It can be better used in sentence as children like to imitate their parents. मतलब बच्चे हमेशा अपने पेरेंट्स को की नकल करते हैं. They like उनकी नकल करना. Normally we see कि बच्चे नकल करते हैं. So this is imitate. And with this, all for this session. Happy watching. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do hit the bell icon so that you could get my updates. Bye bye, and stay happy, stay safe, and remain active on my channel.